Hi guys, and welcome to my first ever video on my first ever YouTube channel. I decided I couldn't wait to get onto the lake, so chucked the boat in the pool. This is the AXA 4i from Boatman UK, and in my opinion it's probably the best boat on the market for the money. This is just a quick video to make sure the boat's working fully before I get it out onto the lake. I found it simple to set up, simple to use. There will be a full review in a couple of weeks' time when it goes out on its maiden voyage. So please pop back and see it being put through its paces. Thanks for watching guys, catch you all soon.